Good morning, students. Good morning, everybody. We are continuing with chapter 1 number system, exercise 1.2. We are doing exercise 1.2 in this. Exercise 1.2. So, up to last period, we have done question number 6. Now, question number 7. Encircle the digit in tens place. Encircle the digit in tens place. Encircle the digit in tens place and underline the digits in 10,000 place. And underlined the digits. Encircle the digit in tens place and underline the digits in 10,000 place. Underline the digit in 10,000 place. Underline the digit in 10,000 place. Encircle the digit in tens place and underline the digit in 10,000s place. 10,000s place we have to underline. Now questions are: first, A 1046. A is 1046. A 1046. 1046. B is 92463. 92463. C is 3120. C is 3120. 3120. 4596. 4596. And D is 100. 481. 100,481. So question number 7. First try to understand what is given and what is asked. What is the requirement? Encircle the digit in tens place. So whichever digit is there in the 10th place or tens place, we have to encircle. Means we have to do the circling, encircle. And underline the digit in 10,000 place. So whichever digit is there in 10,000 place, we have to underline. So we have to encircle the digit in tens place and underline the digit in 10,000 place. So let us encircle. Let us encircle the digit in tens place in this number. Now ones, tens. So we tens digit we have to encircle. So we encircle 4. Encircle 4. And underline the digit in 10,000 place. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000. There is no 10,000. So I will leave. I will not underline because there is no 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. There is no 10,000 digit, so I will not underline anything. Now next, ones, tens. So tens digit we have to encircle. So this 6 we encircle and underline the digit in tens place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this 10,000 I have to underline. So 9 I will underline. 9 I will underline and 6 I will encircle. 6 digit is at tens place. Ones, tens. So this tens place I will encircle then 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 I have to underline. Now next number 31204596. Let us start. Now this is ones and this is tens. So tens digit is 9. 9 I will encircle. And 10,000 we have to underline. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this 10,000 digit is 0. So 0 I will underline. 10,000 digit is 0, that I will underline. Next 100,481, we encircle that tens place digit. So ones, tens place is 8. So that I have to encircle 8. And then underline the 10,000 place digit. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is 10,000. This is 10,000 place which I will underline. This is 10,000 place digit which I will underline. So this is 0. 0 I will underline. This 0 I will underline. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. We have to underline 10,000 place. So 0 I will underline. So this is our 7th question. In 7th question it is asked, encircle means make a circle, encircle the digit which is at tens place and underline the digit which is at 10,000 place. So in this question 1046, 4 is at tens place and there is no 10,000, so I will leave. In this 6 is at tens place, then 100, 1000, 10,000. 9 is at 10,000. So 10,000 I will underline. In this 9 is at tens place and 0 is at 10,000 place. 8 is at tens place and this 0 is at 10,000 place. So question number 7, encircle the digit in tens place. Encircle means we have to round off, make a circle around that digit. You have to make a circle around that digit. This is called encircle. The digit in tens place and underline the digit in 10,000 place. Yes. Yes, yes. Write fast. Yes. Write fast. Write fast. Now finish it fast. Let us start. Question number 8. Yes, finish. Yes, over. Okay. Let us start. Question number 8. Question number 8. Let us start question number 8. Question number 8. How many numbers are there in all having 3 digits? Question number 8. How many numbers are there? Means find total numbers. How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there in all having first A 3 digits, A 3 digits. Let us solve this. Let us solve. So how many numbers are there? How many numbers are there of 3 digits? So how many numbers are there? Total how many numbers are there having 3 digits? So total how many numbers are there of 3 digits? So this question will solve. So to solve this question, we find the smallest 3 digit number and the largest 3 digit number. So I will find smallest 3 digit number, smallest 3 digit number, smallest 3 digit number. What is the smallest 3 digit? Smallest 3 digit number. Yes, what is the smallest 3 digit number? 99. This is 2 digit. When we add 1, it becomes 100. This 100 is smallest 3 digit number. After 99, 99 is 2 digit. So when we add 1, 99 plus 1 is 100. 100 is smallest 3 digit number. Let us find greatest 3 digit number. Greatest 3 digit number. Greatest 3 digit number is 900, 999. 900, 999. Because after 999, it is 1000. And 1000 is 4 digit. We want the number, greatest 3 digit number is 999. Now it is asked total how many numbers are there. So we write total number of 3 digits number, total 3 digit number, total 3 digit numbers, total 3 digit numbers. So the question is total how many 3 digits numbers are there. So this is 100 is my lowest and 999 is my greatest. So 100 and 999, how many numbers are there? All those numbers we have to find. 3 digit number starting from 100 ending with 999. How many numbers are there? 100 and 999, how many numbers are there including 100, 999 and between them? So for this we find smallest number, greatest number, then total 3 digit numbers. There is formula that is greatest number minus smallest number, greatest number minus smallest number, greatest number minus smallest number plus 1, greatest number minus smallest number plus 1, greatest number minus smallest number plus 1, greatest number minus smallest number plus 1. So now my greatest number is, yes, what is my greatest number? 999. Smallest number 100 plus 1. So 999 minus 100, 999 minus 100, 999 minus 100, 999 minus 100, this simplify, 999 minus 100, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 1, 8, 899. That is 899. So 899 plus 1, 899 plus 1 is 900, is 900. So 900 such numbers are there. So total 3 digit numbers are 900. Total 3-digit numbers are 900. Total 3-digit numbers are 900. So now we write total 3-digit numbers. Total 3-digit numbers. Total 3-digit numbers. Total 3-digit numbers. Total 3-digit numbers are 900. Total 3-digit numbers are 900. Total 3-digit numbers are 900. Total 3-digit numbers is 900. So total how many 3-digit numbers are there? So smallest 3-digit number is 100. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. So between 100 and 999, including 100 and 999, how many such numbers are there? So total 3-digit numbers, formula is greatest number minus smallest number, we write in the bracket, plus 1. So greatest number 999 minus 100 bracket plus 1. So 999 minus 100 is 899. 899 plus 1 is 900. So total 3-digit numbers are 900. Similarly for 4-digit numbers. Similarly for 4-digit numbers. Similarly for 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. B part. How many 4-digit numbers are there? So 4 digits. How many 4-digit numbers are there? So we find smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. Yes, anybody? Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. 1000 is smallest 4-digit number. Then largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number. Largest or greatest 4-digit number is 9999. This is largest 4-digit number. So smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Largest 4-digit number is 9999. So this is 1000, smallest 4-digit number, and there is 9999. So how many numbers are there? Total how many numbers are there? 4-digit. So this you have to find, all the numbers of 4-digit we have to find. So I will use the formula. Total 4-digit number. Total 4-digit number. Total 4-digit numbers. Total 4-digit numbers. Formula will be largest number minus smallest number. That will be largest number. Largest number minus smallest number. Largest number minus smallest number. Largest number minus smallest number plus 1. Largest number minus smallest number plus 1. Largest number minus smallest number plus 1. So my largest number is 999 minus smallest number is 1000 plus 1. What is the formula? Largest 4-digit number minus smallest 4-digit number plus 1. Largest number minus smallest number plus 1. When you will simplify this, you will get total 4-digit numbers. So 9,999 minus 1000. So this will simplify. How we simplify? That is 9,999 minus 1000. So this is 9,999 minus 1, 8. 8,999. 8,999 plus 1. Plus 1. We add 1. So plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 8 plus 1, 9. So that is 9,000. So which is 9,000. So total there are 9,000 4-digit numbers. Total there are 9,000 4-digit numbers. Total there are 9,000 4-digit numbers. So we write total 4-digit numbers are 9,000. We write total 4-digit numbers. Total 4-digit number. Total 4-digit numbers is equal to 9,000. So total there are 9,000 4-digit numbers. Total there are 9,000 4-digit numbers. Then we have question C. C part is 5-digit. C part is 5-digit. C is for 5 digits. C is 5 digits, and this I will give homework. This I will give homework. C, find total number of 5-digit numbers. Find total number of 5-digit numbers. Total find 5-digit numbers. So that I am giving homework. You have to solve this right fast. So total how many 5-digit numbers are there? You will find smallest 5-digit number. Then you will find largest 5-digit number. Then to find total 5-digit number, formula you will use is largest number minus smallest number in bracket, then plus 1. Largest number minus smallest number plus 1. In that way you will simplify and get total number of 5 digits. Total how many 5-digit numbers are there, that you will calculate. Now let us move to next question. This C part is homework. Total how many 5-digit numbers are there, that I am giving homework. Now let me write next question. Ninth one. 9. Find the difference between find the difference difference means minus. Find the difference between the place value of the place values of two threes, between the place value of find the difference between the place value of two threes. There are two threes in number 253 73. Find the difference between the place value of two threes in 25373. Find the difference between, difference means minus, subtraction. Difference means subtraction, minus. You have to subtract which values? Place value of two threes. There are two threes. One is ones threes and this is 100 threes. So you have to find place value of this 3 and place value of this 3 and you have to subtract. You getting the question? There are two threes. One is at ones place. The place value at this ones place you have to find, and the place value at 100 place you have to find, and then you have to subtract place value of 100 minus place value of ones. So now we solve this. If you want, we write, so place value of 3, place value of 3 at 100 place, at 100's place. Yes, what is that? What is place value of 3 at 100 place? So after 3 there are two digits, 0 0. So 3 0 0, that is 300. So place value of 3 at 100 place is 300. Place value of 3 at 100 place is 300. Then place value, another 3, there is another 3 at ones place. Place value of 3 at ones place. Place value of 3 at ones place. So at ones place we find a place value of 3, that will be 3 only, because after this 3 there is no digit. So place value of 3 at ones place will be 3. Now we want to find the difference. So difference, now let me write up. Now we find the difference between the place value of two threes. Difference between the place value of two threes. So now we write difference between, after this we continue, difference between the place value, difference between the place value of two threes, there are two threes. One is at 100 place and one is 1 3 is at ones place. So at 100 place the place value of 3 is 300, and at ones place the place value of 3 is 3. So now we want to find the difference. So that is place value of this 3 is 300 minus, difference means minus 300 minus 3. 300 minus 3, and that is 297. This is 297. So difference between the place value of two threes, this is the number. This 3 is 100 place, so place value will be 100. This 3 is at ones place, so place value will be 3. Difference means minus. So this place value is 300, this place value is 3. So 300 minus 3 is 297. So this is the difference between the place value of two threes. Yes, write fast. Yes. Now let us solve 10th one. Let us solve 10th one. Let us solve 10th one. Yes, write fast. Let me write 10th question. Let me write 10th question. Question number 10. Question number 10. Find the product of, product means multiplication. Find the product of the place value Find the product of the place value, find the product of the place value and the face value of place value and the face value, face value of digit 8. Find the product of the place value means position value, and the face value means mirror value remains same. Face value of digit 8 in, find the product of the place value and the face value of digit 8 in 38756. Number is 38756. This is the number and this is the digit 8. So you have to find first the place value of digit 8, and then you have to find the face value of digit 8, and then you have to multiply them, face value into place value. It clear? Product means multiplication. So let us solve them. Solution. First I will find the place value of 8. So place value of 8. Yes, anybody? What is position of 8? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Place value means position value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So place value of 8 is 8000. Place value of 8 is 8000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then I will find face value. Face value of 8. The face value is same as mirror value. When we see our face in the mirror, the shape and the size of our shape remain as it is. There is no change in the shape and size of our face in the mirror. So face value is same as mirror value, and mirror value remains same. So face value of 8 will remain 8 only. So place value means position value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So place value of 8 is 8000, but face value is same as mirror value and face value remains same. 8 will remain 8 face value. Now it is as find the product. So I will find place value. Into multiplication. Product means multiplication. So place value into face value. So what is the place value? That is 8000 into face value is 8. 8000 into 8, that is 64,000. You can multiply 8,000 into 8, that is 64,000. It is 64,000. So let me explain multiplication. This is my 8,000 into 8. 8 0 0, 8 into 0 0, 8 into 0 0, 8 8 is 64. So this is 64,000. So place value into face value is 64,000. So we write, after this we write product of place value and face value. Product of place value and face value is 64,000. Is 64,000. Find the product of the place value and the face value of the digits 8 in 38756. Is it clear? Yes, write fast. Now finish this part. Find the product of the place value and the face value of digit 8 in 38756. So let me give you the homework. Now let us solve. Let me not give you the homework. Let me solve question number 11. 11 and 12 they are same. So 11 I will solve, and question number 12 I will give you homework. So question number 11. Question number 11. Write possible 3-digit numbers. Write question number 11. Write all possible. Write all possible 3-digit numbers. Write all possible 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. Write all possible 3-digit numbers using digit using digit 5, 0, 2, 5, 0, 2, using each digit only once. Using each digit only once. Using each digit only once. So there are 3 digits. We have to find all 3-digit numbers. So digits are 5, 0 and 2. There are 3 digits 5, 0, 2. Using these 3 digits only once. Repetition is not allowed. We have to find all 3-digit numbers. So let us find this. We make box. We go on making the box. Now first number, let me keep this 2 in the tens. Let me keep this 2 in the unit place. 2 at ones place. Then which digits are left? 5, 0, 2. 5, 0, 2. Now if I will write 0, 5, 2, this becomes 2-digit number. So this will not be there. Is it clear? 0, 5, 2 is same as 52. 0, 5, 2 is same as 52, which is 2-digit number. So this I will cancel. This is allowed 502. Now let me make another box. Let me make another box and take in the unit place. There it is, unit place is 2, ones place is 2. Now let us take 0. 0 in the ones place. So tens place and hundred place we have to select the digit. So I can select 5, 2, 0, 3 digit number, then 250, 3 digits number. Yes. Let us take another one. Let us take another. Which number first? 2 in the ones place, then 0 in the ones place. Now which digit is left? 5. So I will write 5 in the ones place. So which digits are left? 0 and 2. So I will write 205 and 025. But 025 is same as 25. This is 2 digit number. So this is there, but this I will cancel. This is 2 digit number. This is 2 digit number. So this I will cancel. So which numbers are there? Which numbers are there? Yes. Which numbers are there? 2 digit number. Using the digit only once. First it is 502. 502. So numbers are, all possible numbers are, we write all possible 3 digit numbers. 3 digit numbers are, all possible 3 digit numbers are, first it is 502. Okay, 502 3 digit number. Then 052 is same as 52. If number start with 0, then starting the number with 0 has no meaning. So 052 is same as 52. And this is 2 digit number. So this I will not consider, because we want 3 digit number. So 502, okay. Now 520, okay. 520, okay. Then 250, okay. 3 digit number. Then 205 is okay. Then 025 I will not consider, because 025 is same as 25, which is 2 digit number. We want 3 digit. So only these numbers are there. These 4 numbers are there. All 3 digit numbers using digit 502. Using digit 502 we get these 4 numbers. Okay, write fast. Yes, now it is time over. Now we wind up our period. We'll continue further in the next period. Okay, bye everybody. Bye. Now we wind up our period. Okay, bye.